Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. Hopefully, you all are well with your family members at home. Dear student, chapter 6 from section A we already started, and today there will be a topic of classification of sports injuries. According to the old saying, prevention is better than cure. It is important for every individual to have the knowledge of first aid and common sports injuries. Injuries can be classified into two types: soft tissue injuries and hard tissue injuries. Soft tissue injuries, it is further of two types: skin injuries. It is an injury over the skin like contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision, etc. About all these skin injuries we will discuss later. Muscle injuries, in this injury the muscles, tendons and ligaments are affected like sprain and strain. Hard tissue injuries, these injuries involve damage of bones of skeletal system like fracture and dislocation. Injuries are further categorized as minor injuries and major or serious injuries. About minor injuries, it is minor in nature with localized inflammation caused due to some damage of tissue, muscles or tendons. This is caused by overuse of affected part and relieved by sufficient rest and sport. In some cases, specific treatment is also needed. Next, serious injuries means major injuries. In this case, there is damage of some tissues such as bursting of muscles, sprain of ligament, loss of tissues or continuity of rupture of blood vessels, localized inflammations and acute pain around the affected part of the body. That will be the classification of sports injuries. Next we have meaning and principles of first aid. What is first aid? First aid means immediate and temporary care given to the victim. The prime objective is to save life. The person should know what to do and what not to do, which can help to avoid further injuries. Objectives of first aid. There are some general principles of first aid. If these are followed properly, the worst situation of the victim can be avoided up to some extent. What are the steps? Number 1, immediate aid. If possible, the first aid should be provided immediately. At this time, we should not think about useless things. Next, think about ABC. ABC means airways, breathing and circulations. So, first of all, he should check the throat of the victim. We should unbutton the shirt of the victim. Then we should check up his respiration. If victim's respiration is not running well, we should give him artificial breathing. After that, the person giving first aid should check up his blood circulation. For this purpose, he should check his pulse rate. If his pulse rate is not felt by the first aider, we should use cardiopulmonary resuscitations CPR technique immediately. Next step is stop bleeding. If there is bleeding from any organ of the wounded person, it should be stopped at once. Next, crowd kept away. It is usually seen that people gathered immediately when there is an accident. In such conditions, the injured does not get fresh air and therefore the person giving first aid should try to keep the crowd away from the injured person. Next step is wrapped the injured in cloth or blanket. At such time, victim should kept warm, so he should be wrapped in cloth or blanket. Sympathetic attitude. The person giving first aid should have sympathetic attitude. When an accident happens, he wounded or injured person feels fear and terror. He should be treated politely and sympathetically so that he may come out his fearful situation. Next is fluid should not be given to the unconscious person. If a person becomes unconscious due to accident, he should not be given any liquid because liquid substance may enter into his windpipe and there is a problem. Next is medical aid. The first aider should call the doctor or expert immediately. Dear students, these important steps, if we follow when we are going to give first aid, I think we should save one's lives. In my next video, we'll see the sports related injuries. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.